Have you ever faced this kind of problem where you are not able to connect internet from mobile to computer? What if I say that we have an alternate solution to this problem? Hey guys, this is Nikita from Coding Buddy. Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will show how you can connect internet from your mobile to computer using Bluetooth. To learn more about this, watch the entire video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, it's free, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of new content. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your PC and smartphone. Go to Settings on your smartphone, look for Bluetooth tethering and activate it. Go to your computer settings. Select Devices. Then choose this option. Select Bluetooth and your device's name should appear here. Choose it for pairing. As you can see, mine is already paired. Go to the control panel after pairing your mobile device with your computer. Select this option. Select Devices and Printers. If you followed the instructions in the previous step correctly, you may view your mobile devices here. Mine is Oppo A52. Then select your device, select Connect Using and choose Access Point option from the context menu. Once you have done so, the taskbar will display this icon. You are now ready to easily access the internet. Launch your browser and have fun browsing. By the way, do you know one thing? Wi-Fi quickly exhausts the battery of mobile device, while USB tethering forces your phone to stay into the fixed position. That's why Bluetooth tethering is a smart solution. I suppose this should work properly. If you find any difficulties with this, please leave your queries in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. That's it for today guys. See you all in upcoming videos.